Welcome to Make It Break It YouTube channel. Today, we are disassembling a portable rechargeable fan that stopped working. This fan operates using a 3.7 volts rechargeable battery. It has a battery charger circuit, a controller, and a small DC motor with a propeller inside the fan body. First, let's remove the rusted battery. The battery holder pins are also rusted, so we need to take them out. Next, we remove the two screws using a screwdriver. Now, let's take off the back cover and check the circuit connections. The controller is connected to the battery on one side and the motor with a propeller on the other side. Now, let's examine the circuit inside the fan. The circuit consists of a battery charging module that charges the 3.7 volts rechargeable battery, a fan controller board, which controls power distribution, a small DC motor, which spins the fan propeller,